Hello everyone, welcome to VR BioMars, the upcoming game that aims to teach kindergarten through 12th graders on what bioprinting is in the setting that we're on Mars and way in the future. We are using AI and VR to see how it impacts the education and growth of learners. Let's start the level with a tutorial which teaches the users on how VR works. Let's go. Anyways, the first step is movement. As you can see here, we have a live diagram of what your controllers will be looking like in real life, and we use the green box to indicate what they should be pressing. Here, we are using our left hand and the thumbstick to move around. Let's move to the green box. Here, we're teaching them how to pick up items. We are using the left and right grab key to pick up the bioink, and the goal is to just drop it down. Boop. And finally, we can begin the game. All we do is press begin. And here we are in the first level. This level aims to teach the basics of bioprinting. Here's a really quick summary of what the players will be learning. And here is the instructions. Our goal is to print the heart. So let's go to the lab. Here in the lab, we have all of our materials, printers, incubators, and crosslinkers that we'll need for this experiment. First, it shows us the materials. We'll have 3 basic materials for now. Bioink, the most important material we need for bioprinting, and 2 other general materials. We'll get to those on a future level, but let's begin. First, we have to pick up these materials and place it on our bioprinter here. For the sake of simplicity and the learner, we are making this process simpler, as all we need to do is place the materials on these pads. In real life, it might be different, where you might need to put a syringe into the machine and cap it off. Let's add the materials on now. Bioink goes here. General material. And lastly, extra material. Let's see what the next step is. All I need to do is press print, and the bioprinter will start printing. Here we can see the bioprinter in action, printing away. This process is sped up in-game for the sake of the learners. Next, we take the printed heart and we move it over to the cross-linking box, where it takes the cells and combines it to make it stronger before we actually grow the cells. Cross-linking is a process of bonding together the bioinks and is an important part. Next, we have to click cross-link. Of course, this process is sped up for the sake of the learners. Cool. Next step, we have to add this to the actual incubator to incubate it and let the cells grow. Let's start and press incubate. All I have to do is wait now. Of course, this process is sped up by a ton because incubation in real life will take a very long time. Here we have the final heart. All I have to do now is take it over carefully and place it onto the tray to move on to the next level. Before I end the video here, I want to show you guys one more thing. This cool little tablet. You can ask this tablet anything and it will respond back. This is used so the learners can ask questions about having to exit VR. So let's ask it, what is bioprinting? And all I have to do is click send. Cool, we have a response. Now, let's finally go to the next level. This is the last level that is fully completed, and we have 2 more levels coming up. But here's a little sneak peek to what we're creating now. Welcome to level 2, the materials level. The main goal of this level is to teach the players on what materials are in bioprinting and why we're using them. Here we have 2 examples. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.